On your marks, get set, go! Okay,
Good.
it's the relay race.
Okay.
And this relay race is special Christmas. We're going to draw shapes on the Christmas tree. Okay. Cool. Ready? Okay, so we need 2 teams. Who wants to be team 1? Great.
We want to be
team 1.
Team 1.
Okay, so make a line there. Team 2?
Yeah.
Okay, make a line there. Good. Make a line, guys. You guys can actually make a line.
Can I push it again? Yes.
Okay, so let's remember, what shape is this, guys?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay, what shape is this?
Circle.
Okay, what about this?
A bird.
A
line.
Line.
Oh, excellent! Andrea, she's on track. What about this?
Square.
Square.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, so we're ready.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to call out a shape. Who's going to go first on team 1?
You go.
Olivia. Who's going first on team 2? Excellent. Okay, ready? You each get a marker. There we go.
Thank you.
No, it doesn't work.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, ready. Okay, so everyone, this shape
The shape
on the Christmas tree
on the Christmas tree
is a star. Ooh, 1 point. 1 point here for team 2.
A star.
A beautiful star. Okay, ready? Team 1, you better hurry this time, huh? This shape
The shape
on the Christmas tree
on the Christmas tree
is a square.
is a square.
Ooh, point for team 1. You can give yourself points. Okay, now we're going to change. Because we're decorating the Christmas tree, so we're going to say, I put a on the Christmas tree.
I
put
on the Christmas tree.
Okay. Okay. But you can't go and draw it until you say on the Christmas tree.
Okay.
Got it? I put
I put on
circle.
Yeah.
Excellent.
No.
Point for team 2.
Yeah.
Well, okay. But Olivia, you need to wait until I say the shape.
Oh, you say the shape.
Yes. Okay, next person. I
I
put a triangle.
On the Christmas tree.
Go. Ooh, but it's not a very nice triangle. Point for team 1. Point for team 1. Point for team 1. It's gotta look nice and it's gotta be on the tree, huh? Okay, ready?
Yep.
I put a diamond on the Christmas tree. Yes, point for team 1. A diamond. Yeah. Team 2.
Yeah.
Team 1 is winning, huh? Sorry.
Is it a -1 or what's happening here?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Next person.
Yeah.
I put a hexagon.
Hexagon on the Christmas tree. How many?
Yeah,
Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Very good.
Are you sure it's 6? Hexagon?
France.
Is that 5?
No.
Pentagon is
Pentagon is
5.
A point for team 1.
Yes.
5 points. I have to say, we do have the winners here. Sorry, guys. Have to give up your...
We win.
We are the champions.
We are the champions.
Anyways, relay race is great fun.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!